In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Essentail Skeleton 4. As I open the app on my phone, it comes to a home page and it reveals the skeleton that I can use. I use a single finger to rotate the skeleton around and 2 fingers to zoom in. I can continue to look at the skeleton from any angle that I need to and change the position just by using the simple pinching method for zooming or just a single finger to scroll around. If you get lost, press the home button and it returns you back to the beginning where you can start yet again to look around and find all the details and angles you might need for any drawing. When you don't have access to the skeleton from the science department, this is a good way to continue to draw from skeleton in art.